Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, and dear students. As we all know that today we have gathered here to pay our homage to a brave freedom fighter and true son of Uttarakhand soil, Sri Dev Suman. Sri Dev Suman is a leading role in the history of India's freedom struggle. His name shines in the history of India's freedom struggle, especially in the hills of Gadwal. As you know that Sri Dev Suman was born on 25th May 1916 at Jol village, Patti Bamund of Tihri, Gadwal. From a young age, he was deeply inspired by the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi. He believed in non-violence, truth and freedom. Sri Dev Suman played a leading role in Tihri Praja Mandal movement, which fought against the autocratic rule of Tihri king and demanded democratic rights for the people. He believed that everyone has the right to live properly, so he demanded the democratic rights. And his voice gave hope to the poor, oppressed and voiceless people of Gadwal. But in 1944, while participating in freedom movement, he was arrested by the king's army and sent to jail. We all know that in Tihri jail he was kept here for his bold protests and speeches. In jail, he was treated with extreme cruelty. Very heavy cuffs were given to him. Pieces of stones were mixed in his food. Sand-mixed chapatis were given to him. And to protest this injustice, he started a hunger strike. The jail administration tried a lot to give him food and water forcibly, but they didn't succeed. And Sri Dev Suman remained hungry for 84 days. After remaining hungry for 84 days, this brave son of Uttarakhand soil sacrificed his life. And see the cruelty of the king. His dead body was not given even to his family. His dead body was thrown in the Bhilangana river. Today, you would have heard the name of Sri Dev Suman University. Today, many schools, colleges, roads, and institutions are named after him. His life teaches us the importance of courage, truth, and standing for what is right. His sacrifice inspires the youth to serve their nation selflessly. We, the people of Tihri, are fortunate, truly fortunate, that we walk on the land where a hero once walked. So it is our responsibility to keep his legacy alive, and that would be our true homage to him. That we have to be fearless, courageous, and we have the spirit to serve our nation selflessly. So today we are paying our homage to him, and we will try to follow the path shown by Sri Dev Sumanji. Thank you.